In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on Bybit. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially something as risky as crypto. So first thing you got to do is open up and log into your Bybit account. If you don't already have a Bybit account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you 30,000 USDT in welcome and trading bonuses. After you've logged into your account, I'm going to show you a couple ways that you can do this. The first way is definitely the easiest. You're just going to look for this button that says deposit now and tap on it. From here, you're going to tap on buy with USD. And right here, you can see at the top right hand corner, you'll see BTC. You might have a different asset showing, but you just tap on this arrow next to it. And from this list, you can select Ethereum from it. If you don't see Ethereum on the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Just type in ETH and tap on Ethereum. Now, just enter in the amount of USD or whatever your local currency is right here into this field. And if USD is not your local currency, you can just tap the arrow right next to it and select your local currency out of the list. But I'm going to stick with USD. After you've entered in the amount of USD or whatever your currency is right here, you're just going to tap on next, select the payment method. For example, bank card, tap on buy with USD. This is just a list of cards that they do and do not accept. Fill out your bank card information, tap you understand, tap on continue, and that's the first way you can buy Ethereum on Bybit. The second way you can buy Ethereum on Bybit is if you already have an asset in your account such as USDT, you're just going to go right over here and tap on the trade icon. And from this, you're going to select the spot. And right here where it says BTC USDT, you're going to tap on that. And right here in the search bar, just type in ETH and select the first option, which is ETH/USDT. You also have ETH USDC if you have that as a stablecoin instead of USDT. Make sure you select buy. And right here, you can select a limit order or a market order. I'm going to tap on a market order, which basically means you're just going to pay the current market price for your Ethereum. Whereas in a limit order, you can actually set the price that you want to buy Ethereum at. So enter in the amount of USDT that you want to trade into Ethereum, tap on buy, confirm the transaction, and that's how to buy Ethereum on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.